Hey, and what's up guys, it's 7:54 and today we're gonna do a little unboxing. So today I've just received an item from Lazada from January 1st. I ordered a bag for my bike for these upcoming long road trips. This will be very handy in terms of doing so. So let's get started. I'm gonna use my manly scissors for opening the package. Here's a product from Rockbros. This is not a sponsored video, syempre. But this, guys, is a very good bag that I've ordered. So as you can see, there are these Velcro straps that you could lock your bag on the top tube. And here on the top, here's where you can put your phone, browse through it, maybe turn on your cell phone bike computer. Let's say, for example, you don't have a bike computer, you can actually use your phone as a bike computer. Just so you know, I'm going to show you guys a application I use for doing so. And as you open the bag, that's actually where the place you put your phone, just in case you're wondering. And here's what it looks like if it's the opposite side. Here's how it looks like when you put your phone inside a bag. See? It's good. Yeah. There's no lag in terms of browsing through your phone. So here, guys, I'm gonna show you the application I kind of use for as a substitute for bike computer. Right. So on the other side, that's where you could actually view the map. Currently, you cannot actually detect any GPS as of the moment, but it's still good. Yeah. Alright, so inside, I may be wondering what this green mesh is for. It's actually a cover for your bag to protect it, just in case of heavy rain. Just in case, because the bag itself, to be honest with you guys, is not really 100% waterproof. So this came along with the bag to ensure that your stuffs are protected. So kudos to Rockbros for being so considerate. Alright, so look at that. What a beauty. Okay, so it still has its spaces for your top tube. And as you take a look inside of the pockets, there where you can easily fit your other stuffs, like, let's say, a watch, a manly scissor. Along with that, you could also probably put in your warranty card for the bag itself. It's very spacious, I can tell you. much it inside of the bag. How many things you could actually put in it. By the way, those logos of Rockbros are reflective, so good add-on. So as what I'm telling you guys, this is Rockbros' warranty card. So you can see that on the back of those circle thingy, there's your warranty card. Gotta be nifty about it. Alright, so that's mostly about the bag itself. So in the next clip, I'm gonna show you how it looks like installed on the bike. Alright, so I do apologize guys if I wasn't able to show the video. For some reason it was corrupted, but the bag looks amazing. I can tell you guys, if you're using a mountain bike, a road bike, or a gravel bike like I do, it sits perfectly fine. You can easily install it because of the Velcro attachments, and easily browse your phone also whenever you need to. So kudos to Rockbros. So this bag actually stands at top 4 in popular cycling bags, and currently priced at 447 pesos. Still a good deal.